Welcome to the Daily Announcements. I'm Ethan Portner. Before the announcements, please stop and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
As we settle back into the routine of school with all 4 classes in attendance, we would like to quickly remind students that masks need to cover both your nose and mouth. They're not chin straps. And that despite the larger number of students in the hallway, everyone should still attempt to socially distance. We all need to do our part in keeping the mountain a safe learning and working environment for everyone. Next week, we will begin SAT and PSAT testing. Juniors will be taking the SAT test next Tuesday, April 13th. Students should arrive to the school at 7:45 a.m. and will be released around 12:30. Freshmen, sophomores, and seniors will not be attending classes in person during the testing day and will be attending classes asynchronously. Sophomores will be PSAT 10 testing on Wednesday the 14th. Once again, students should arrive to the school at 7:45 a.m. and will be released around 12:30. All of the students will complete asynchronous work as on a regular Wednesday. Finally, freshmen will be taking the PSAT 9 test on Thursday the 15th. All procedures for the test day will be the same as on Tuesday. Classes not testing will be asynchronous. Season D sports will soon be upon us as well, and Season D athletes are encouraged to start getting their athletic paperwork together and be ready to submit it when registration opens the week of April 5th. As always, check the description below for hyperlinks to past events and links to our social media accounts, and don't forget to subscribe to our MRHS YouTube homepage. Have a great day at the mountain.